This 2020 Thor Freedom Traveler A32 is a Class A RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor is 33 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 10, refrigerator, TV, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, microwave, leveling jacks, awning, slide-out, DVD player, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2020 Thor Freedom Traveler A32 is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.